Welcome to the world of English. Now, a story of Akbar and Birbal based flowers. One day, Akbar was taking a walk in his royal gardens with several courtiers. Many flowers were flowering at that time of season. A poet pointed that out towards a beautiful flower and said, "Looks, Jahapana, how beautiful flower that is. No man can produce such a beautiful things as this." Birbal was also there. He said, "I don't agree with this. Sometimes men can make more beautiful things than this." Akbar said, "Oh no, Birbal, you are taking nonsense. This flower is really very beautiful." After a few days, Birbal presented Akbar a very skilled craftsman from Agra. He presented a beautiful carved marble bouquet of flowers. The emperor was very happy to see it and gave him 1,000 gold coins. Just then, a boy came and presented the emperor a beautiful bucket of real flowers. The emperor was very happy to see it too, so he gave a silver coin to the boy. Birbal said, "So the caviar was more beautiful than the real thing." Akbar understood that he had fallen into the hands of his witty minister once again.